In this video, I will show you how to make the AI ElevenLabs voiceover talk faster. Now, first of all, I want to say for the best results, you do need to have a paid ElevenLabs account, but I have a great discount when you tap the link in the description below. So let's get started. So what you can do is you can move your mouse to the sidebar of the screen, as you can see, and then go to Voices. Then go to Library, and here you can see the voice library. What you need to do is you need to select the language that you want your voice to talk in, for example, in English, and then select American, for example. Then we can tap on this button right here, which means which opens up more filters, and then we can select the category. And the best results are the professional voices. So yeah, which is a paid option, but I do recommend you to use it. And then we can tap on gender, for example, male, the age, for example, young, right? And then we can select a category, for example, social media. And then what we can do is we can preview any voice that talks fast. So just hover your mouse over the voiceover and tap on this play icon.
Hey, do you want to collaborate with a professional American?
So what you need to do is you just need to select the voice that talks pretty fast. And then once you found a voice, you just need to tap on add right there, then move over to text to speech, then select the voice and then just generate what you want. And if it's not talking that fast, as fast as you would like, what you can do is you can first of all play around with the settings, so the stability as well as the similarity, as well as the speaker boost and the style settings. But what you also can do is you can export the voiceover and then move to a video editor or an audio editor, like for example CapCut is a great video editor, and then you can just select the specific audio file and like change the pace of that audio file, and this way the voiceover will talk faster, hopefully. And yeah, that's a great way of doing it. But the best way, like I said, is just choosing a voice that talks fast. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, yeah, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.